No Dima, sa oled siin platsiga paar sekundit jõudnud tutvuda, kuidas tundub?
No tegelikult päris okei plats, küll on näha, et see on olnud siin päris palju aega ja no saame hakkama, ma arvan.
I don't answer nothing.
Yes. Oot.
It's too much.
Tarmo, sa oled Narva Transis ise mänginud nooruspõlves ja oled Famast Tataga tuttav. Räägi mängi ja kogemustega inimesena, et mis tunne siia platsile tulla on, kas siin on mingisugune ohufaktor alati olemas, et punktide kaotamiselt läheb?
Sa oled nii noor mees ja ma olen võib-olla nii vana mees, et ma pole Fama staadionil kunagi mänginud, ma arvan, Narva eest, nii et ma seda tunnet ei tea, kuidas nende eest siin mängida on, aga Narvas on alati raske, et selles mõttes, et kunagi ta oli parem meeskond, hetkel ta võib-olla ei ole kõige paremas tuules, aga fakt on see, midagi kerget meil ei anta.
Mis plaaniga tänasel sellel nii-öelda mitte liiga palju kiidetud kunstmurul neist jagu saada?
Tuleb rohkem lüüa, vähemalt üks.
Sobib, väga hea.
Elu on.
Come on guys, let's go! Other hand as well, on the way back. Good back. Go. Well done. Yes, good job.
I'm not ready to go far and make it, sacrifice everything I have.
Sorry, Archie.
Come on guys!
We've been together so much, we were happy together, we were sad together, and this was the most important thing. Stay together, be there for each other, fight for each other. You're a team, you're guys with the same logo on the chest. Be there for each other, support each other, fight for each other.
They don't give us anything easy, guys. Let's take these 3 points and go home, yeah? 1, 2, fire!
Вечер, уважаемые люди футбола!
Да, пойдет!
I'm smart enough to see when things are not going my way. When your quality need to be enough itself to win those things, but somehow last 6 games we didn't move forward. And I think for us this is unacceptable. I think for the things that we want, it's unacceptable. For our goals, for your quality, for you name it, it's unacceptable. But something needs to happen. Something needs to happen. Heads up, new game is on Wednesday.